Most people think WD-40 is just a spray for squeaky doors, but what if I told you this little blue can actually save you hundreds of dollars in car repairs? Today we're uncovering 10 hidden WD-40 tricks mechanics don't want you to know, because if you knew these, you might not need a mechanic for half of your minor problems. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's expose some automotive secrets. Trick number 1, remove old stickers and adhesive residue. Ever tried removing an old dealership sticker or a sun-baked bumper decal? It's almost impossible. Right, the glue sticks to the paint like concrete. Spray WD-40 generously over the sticker. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Then slide your finger or a plastic scraper under the edge. It glides right off, no scratching. No heat gun, no razor blade danger. Trick number 2, prevent battery terminal corrosion. Corrosion on battery terminals can cause hard starts, losing power, electronics malfunction, battery dying early. After cleaning the terminals, spray a light coat of WD-40. It creates a moisture barrier that slows corrosion. This one trick can extend your battery life by years. Trick number 3, stop door locks from freezing. In cold weather, the moisture inside your locks can freeze, locking you out of your own car. Spray WD-40 into the keyhole at the start of winter. It displaces moisture and prevents ice buildup. Mechanics in colder regions know this but won't tell you. Trick number 4, clean greasy hands instantly. Working on your car and your hands get covered with oil or greasy sludge? If you don't have a cleaner nearby, spray WD-40 on your hands, rub them together, wipe with a cloth, then wash with soap. It breaks down grease instantly. Trick number 5, restore faded plastic trim. Your car's plastic trims and bumpers turn old and gray over time. Detailing shops charge big money to restore black trim. But one simple trick, spray WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe the trim. The black color returns instantly and gives your car a newer look, perfect for selling your car. Photo shoots, quick detailing before a long drive, last for a week or 2, just enough for most people. Trick number 6, free rusted bolts in seconds. One of WD-40's original purposes was loosening stuck metal parts. If you're working on brakes, exhaust bolts, or suspension components, you'll eventually face rusted, frozen bolts. Spray WD-40. Wait 2 minutes. Tap the bolt lightly with a wrench, and then try again. The rust dissolves and the bolt breaks. Free. A mechanic will charge labor time for this simple trick. Trick number 7, remove paint transfer on bumpers. When another car lightly scrapes yours with their paint, it looks like a deep scratch, but most of the time, it's just paint transfer. A little WD-40 and a soft cloth will remove 80 to 90% of it in seconds. Many body shops polish this off and charge for paint correction. Now you know the secret. Trick number 8, protect and soften rubber seals. Door seals, trunk seals, and window rubber dry out over time. This causes wind noise, water leaks, doors sticking in hot weather. Spray WD-40 lightly on a cloth and wipe the rubber. It stays soft, flexible, and protected. Trick number 9, remove tar, bugs, and road grime. Road tar, bug guts, and tree sap can destroy your paint if left too long. So can't remove them, but WD-40 melts them like butter. Spray the affected area. Wait 10 to 20 seconds and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Trick number 10, silence a squeaky belt temporary fix. Let's be clear, this is not a permanent fix. But if your belt squeals only for a few seconds when the engine starts, WD-40 on the belt pulley can actually help diagnose whether the noise is from the belt or the pulley bearings. And those are 10 hidden WD-40 tricks mechanics don't want you to know. From saving money to avoiding unnecessary repairs, this little blue can is more powerful than you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real automotive secrets. See you in the next video.